Hello, you are welcome back. In this tutorial, we want to start designing other interfaces that will reside on the main interface. So I'm going to use my JDialog form to design other interfaces because they will reside on the main interface. The main interface, by convention, is supposed to be designed with the JFrame, which will have a console button, the minimize button, and the maximize button. But a JDialog form will have only the cancel button. So don't forget, it's a convention and it's very good. To do that, it's very simple. Come to my projects. You can see we have the staff management. Right click, new JDialog form. There are sometimes JDialog will not appear in the list here. What you need to do is to come to order, come to swing GUI forms, and you click on your JDialog form. Click on next. Give it any name you like. Let me give it add staff. Click on finish, and you see your JDialog has appeared. As I've told you, it only has the cancel button, so you can come to source, right click, and run your file. You can see by default it has only one cancel or close button. Close it back. So let's start with the design of the interface. You can just expand it a little bit as we like. Now the first thing I need to do is to drop my panel. I need two panels on this particular interface. The first panel will group my biodata, while the second panel will group the next of kin information or biodata. So you come here, double click, place a panel here. You can expand as you wish. Come and place the second panel. Okay, before placing the second, let me change the properties of this particular panel and give it a titled border. You come here, you click on this border property, come to titled border. Let me give it staff information. Click on OK. Now to drop the second panel, you come down, double click panel. You can expand this as you wish. Expand it downward. Then you also change the property, the border property. Click on titled border. Give it a title. Let me give it next of kin information. Next of kin information. Click on OK. Okay, you can see that. So I can expand this to come down as I wish, and this one should come down as I wish. So I want to drop different labels. I need about 15 labels or 16 labels on this particular panel. On the left hand side, let me put up to 8 labels, and on the right hand side, let me put up to 7 labels. I will come here, double click. You hold your shift key as you are dropping. So let's start counting. We want to drop 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you release your shift key, then you drop the last one, 8. On the right hand side, we need 7. So let me come and drop my 7 labels. Double click. Start with the first one. Hold your shift key. Drop the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you release your shift key and drop the last one, 7. So let's start by dropping different controls on this particular panel. So let me drop on that first. Okay, let me change the title of my label. I did this. This is supposed to be first name. Okay, let me edit again. Second one is supposed to be other names. Okay, let me just adjust this so that it can align. Can bring this here. So I can right click, edit, other names. I have level. Can just bring this one here. After that, I have department. After that, I have address. After that, I have nationality. After that, I have state of origin. After that, I have my local government area, that's LGA. So on this, let me start with email. And on this, let me put sex. Let me put phone number. Let me just make sure it aligns. Let me put qualification. On this, let me put higher institution. Let me make sure it aligns. On this, let me put year. I have email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Email, sex, phone number. Okay, then let me put year. And the last one, or second to the last one, let me put secondary school. And I think I still need one more here. Let me put a label and the year the person attended the secondary school. So I'm done with putting up label in my first panel. So let me start dropping one of the swing controls after the other. So I need my text field for the first name. So you come here, drop your text field, you drag. For other names, I also need my text field. Come here, drop your text field. Then for level, I need a combo box, which may allow me to choose any option I like. The combo box. Department, I also need a combo box to choose any option I like. Address, I need a text field. For nationality, I need a combo box. For state of origin, I need a combo box. For my LGA, I also need a combo box. Let me just put a text field. For my email, I need a text field. Double click, drop one here. For sex, I need radio button. Radio button, drop the first one. Let me change this one to mail. I also need another one. I need 2 radio buttons here. Double click, drop another one. Phone number, I need a text field. Double click. Qualification, I need a combo box. Double click. For our institution, I need a text field. The year, I need a text field. Double click. Then the secondary school, I need a text field. Double click. Then the year, I also need the text field. So I can clean off all the names inside. Just come here and right click. Right click, edit text. So on that level, I have level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, level 2 to 18. So I'll click on this particular combo box. I'll come to model, click on this icon in front of model. Then you raise this, you can say choose level. This one will be at index 0, choose level. Then the first one, which is be at its index 1, the one at index 0, which is choose level, will appear on this particular combo box by default. So we are going to continue with this in the next class. Thank you very much.